This is the second time I've done this video because I was showing you my garden table that I picked up from the walk when I took the dog this morning. There was someone at the road and they had a garden table out, and I thought, are they giving that away? I think there was a potty and there was a dog bed and there was some garden pots and things like that. Anyway, I was looking up and down and I saw this woman. I said, is this someone's, they're moving house or something? Oh no, she said it's free if you want it. I said, oh, okay. So there was a table and one chair for the garden. And the table looks a bit ropey, but a bit of work, you know, it will be right as rain. Not dropping names, but a bit of Ron Seal, sort it out. Anyway, I was just about to show you it in the garden. I switched the bally video off, didn't I? So here I am, doing it yet again. Anyway, I will show you it because it's annoying if I don't get to show you it. Where are we? You see it? So it's a bit ropey. It needs a coat of Ron Seal, as you can see. But it goes alright with my chairs. Once I get my chairs, have got to be done again anyway as well. So once they've done, it'll be fine. There's my little garden. See my little garden? So there you go. So we've got this little bit, I'll show you up here. We've got this little bit up here, which we sit. And when all the plants come out and everything, it makes it really nice. And this plant here grows up, goes mental, goes all over the shed and everything. So it gives us, and all along here, and it gives us loads of privacy and that. And we've got pretty lights. So yeah, so once all the plants come out, it'll look a lot nicer. But that's our garden. That's me. The neighbours are in the garden. They think I'm bloody mental. I think they're... What's she talking to? Her husband's not home. She doesn't talk to herself a lot. Anyway, what I'm making is herby chicken roulade, which is this, from the Lightened Healthy cookbook that I picked up from the charity shop. So what I had videoed was all the ingredients and me bashing the chicken to death. So I had 3 chicken breasts, which I've put between cling film, and then I got my rolling pin and bashed it to double its size. So basically that's all I've done. And I've stupid woman. I've crushed some garlic. So there's 3 cloves of garlic in there that I've crushed. Okay, so next I am going to add some low-fat soft cheese. And it says in here 250 grams. How much is in one of them? Which is a whole one, but I'm not going to put that much in. Now this is low fat, but you still need to sin this. So I've got full up my now. So I'm just going to use half of it. Maybe a bit more. I'll use 3/4 because there are 3 breasts. So that's that. Then I'm going to add a bit of, let's get rid of this. And then I'm going to add some pepper, a bit of seasoning. Now in my book it doesn't say about doing the garlic, but that's personal preference. It doesn't also tell you to add hot horseradish sauce, but I'm going to because I like it, and I think it will go quite nicely. So I'm just putting 1 teaspoon of the horseradish in. So I've got my cheese, I've got my garlic, I've got my horseradish, I've got my pepper, and then I'm going to add some parsley. And I'm just going to coarsely chop that up. That'll do. There we go. And give that a mix. Put a bit more pepper in there. Now, if you haven't got fresh herbs, you could put, you know, dried herbs. You can put whatever you wanted in there. Oregano, mixed herbs. You can put a bit of curry powder in there if you wanted to. Make them look a curry flavour. Right. So that's that. Let me just check I've got everything. Oh, they've got olives in there. That's quite nice. My husband hates olives. But, yeah, they've got olives. Quite nice, wouldn't it? A few olives. I'd like that. Right, so we're going to get one of our bits of chicken. I'm going to unwrap it. Then I'm going to spread some of this mix on there. Probably got too much of this now by the look of it. There's quite a lot there, isn't there? Then I'm going to roll up my chicken. Ooh. Then I'm going to get a piece of bacon. I'll cut off that bit of fat, I don't want that. Now I'm going to cut off some of this fat. I'm going to be careful, I can't cut it all off because I'm going to try and stretch it. So if you get the knife and just sort of pull it along, and then you can kind of stretch your bacon out, make it more. And I'm going to kind of wrap it around my chicken. Oh, let's go wipe my hands. Right, number 2. I think I put a bit too much mixture in that. Let's do another one. Oh, blimey. It's clean film. Go off. Right. Oh, I have loads of this left, haven't I? Right, so spread your mix. Roll your chicken up. Get your piece of bacon. Cut off any bits of fat that you can. You won't get it all off because if you try and cut it all off, you won't end up with a strip of bacon to wrap. So you will have to leave some of it on there. And stretch your bacon out a little bit. Make it go further. Carefully wrap it round, oh God, your chicken, and sort your hands out. Then goes the last one. Right, so last one. Some mix. Wrap it up. A little bit of bacon. Cutting off any excess fat. Give him a stretch. It'd be nice if we could stretch ourselves like that with a knife. Lie on the floor, stretch yourself out, get dressed, and go to work. Yeah, it'd be lovely, wouldn't it? Right. So there we go. That's probably my best one. Right, let's get rid of this. No, you're not having that. It'll be in your tummy 5 minutes and back up again. Right, get rid of this. Wash my hands. What's that? Right, let's get rid of this. Whatever that is. Now then, so what I'm going to do now, you have to cook it in like a, you're going to make like a little bit of a white sauce. So I'm going to do it in my frying pan. Which I thought was in there. Oh no, it's waiting to be washed. Great. I'll do it in the wok. In the wok. Right, so what you need to do to put in your wok, you need to have 300 mils of chicken stock. So let's get kettle on. I'm going to make up 300 mils of chicken stock, and I'll come back to you, and then we'll do the next bit because I need the kettle to boil. Any minute now, Tesco's might arrive at my door banging and crashing and the dog will go mental. So if you are going ballistic, that'll be what it is. So I'll stop the video. Anyway, so I've got me 11 fluid ounce. 11 fluid ounce, what stupid amount is that? Let me just say 10. 11? I like rounded up figures. Right, what I'm going to do is I've got these cocktail sticks. I'm just going to give my chicken and bacon a little bit of a helping hand because I don't want them coming apart while they're cooking. Lordy. Cheap rubbish. Right, so I've got my cocktail stick and I'm literally just going to like secure them, just put a couple in to try and keep it all together. I don't know if it'll work, but we can give it a helping hand, can't we? God, there's way too much in there. I reckon this is going to turn into a right old mess. God, I don't think it's going to be much of a roulade. Right. So, I've got to put my stock in the wok. Turn it on. I've got it on high at the moment. Then you've got to add 550 mils or 5 fluid ounces of milk, whatever you use. Well, it's semi-skimmed. That's flour. There. That one. Or like I'm using almond milk. That's right. So add that. What else you got to do? Let me just have a quick look. Right. Okay, so then you've got to add your chicken in. Can you see? Yeah. So add your chicken into that. God. See, this is the one. This is the one that's going to be the problem one. Oh my days. Let's get him in. And that one. Right. So then you've got to cover that. If I get my big old kind of, and then I'm just going to turn it down to number 4, and you need to leave it for 10 minutes. So I will put this on because I just get, you know, distracted. So let's get rid of all this mess. Hey pups, where's that other knife gone? Not in there, is it? What have I done with that? I don't know what I've done with my other knife. Honestly. This will do. Right, so do you ever use these potatoes? I've drained the water. I use these a lot in the caravan. They're brilliant, really good. So what I'm going to do is tip them out. I'm going to spray light my pan. I'm going to get it on. Where can I put it so you can see? See, if I put it there, that'll do. Right. I'm nearly out of that, and I forgot to blooming order any. I went to work and I thought, oh, I'll quickly order it. I think you got till 8:30. No, it was blooming 10:30 last night to change the order. So I'm going to have to go to the darn shop now, which defeats the object because I know what I'm like. I'll end up buying God knows what else while I'm in there. Right, so I'm cutting up my potatoes. These make a lovely potato salad, really nice. But they are nice done like this. So I'm going to add those couple of bits of chicken in there, and I'm going to get them going. Those 3 little fillets. Right. And then I'm going to chop up some mushrooms. Oh, hello. Just roughly chop them. You don't have to be special about it. That's it. She loves mushrooms, your favourite, isn't it? So, mushrooms, and just going to give this chicken a little turn. There we go. I can hear that one's bubbling away, so that's good. And then what I'm going to obviously do is add in my potatoes and my mushrooms. I'm just going to give that chicken a little bit of seasoning, and I'll give these potatoes. This is garlic salt and some rainbow pepper. And I'm going to chuck it all in the pan. And just let that cook. There we go. And that bit of chicken. So there we go. So I will just give that, mushrooms, didn't chop that up very well, did I? Just going to give that a little bit of spray. Oh. Just wipe my hands. Smells good, doesn't it, Kim? Smell good, Kimmy? Yeah? So, I've also got, last night I made some couscous. We had it for lunch and we're going to have it again for tea. Only a little bit on the side. So, trying to eat it up. So we've got the couscous, we've got the chicken roulade, and we've got the potatoes and the mushrooms and things. So what we don't eat, I will add to the couscous for lunch tomorrow, along with these 3 bits of goujon chicken. We won't be having those tonight, they'll be for tomorrow. So they're just cooking off nicely. And I will come back to you once this is all cooked down. After 10 minutes of that cooking, I have to take the chicken out and then just add this corn flour to thicken up the sauce. And then what you do is you cut up your chicken, hopefully, and you pour your sauce over the top. So when I'm near all that stage, I'll come back. Hopefully Tesco's won't arrive in the middle of it all. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Right, it's been 10 minutes. I'm just about to remove the chicken from the sauce. If I can get it out. And then some of that roulade mixture has obviously come out in the sauce. I'm just going to give it a cover with some foil. And then what I'm going to do is get my cup, take out some of the sauce and add my corn flour to that. Because if I add my corn flour straight in there, chances are it will go all lumpy, and heaven and earth, you will not get those lumps out and it will be horrible. So it is so much better to just mix a little bit in and then add it after. I'm just going to take this chicken out, just going to sit that on top of there, let these potatoes finish off. But they're all cooking up nicely, as you can see, along with the mushrooms. Right, so corn flour, spoon, turn the heat up high, and then I'm going to add my heaped teaspoon of corn flour. And when you put it in a little bit like that, it mixes in really well. But I can assure you, if you just tip it into your pan, sprinkle it in. I've done it before myself, and it's a big mistake. Schoolgirl error, I think it's called. Right, these potatoes are done. Potatoes, not potatoes, my mum would say to me. There's a tea in potatoes. Honestly. My age, and she still tells me off. Honestly. Right, so That's come up to boil. I'm going to add that. Give it a stir. Keep stirring. And it will thicken. So you've got a nice thick sauce. You may need to add another teaspoon. Should be alright. It's got to be a bit patient. Don't do patience. I think it's going to need a bit more. I'll put another teaspoon in. Come on, you can do it. Thicken up. Come on. There we go. It's better. I do quite like a thick sauce. I don't like a runny sauce. There we go. So I'm going to turn that down. Now's the fun part. Cutting up the chicken. So I'm going to get my knife cutter. And I'm just going to give my knife a bit of a sharpen, because I want, obviously, a sharp knife to do this. Otherwise, I'm going to struggle. If you've got one of those electric knife cutters, remember in the 90s, they were really popular, weren't they? I have one. That would be ideal. Right. So, please don't let Mr. Tesco's arrive now, because that would just be really annoying. So, clean that up. Let's get my board. Move my old chicken. And the book. Right, I'm just going to put these little bits of chicken on there, because that's for tomorrow. Where's gold? That sauce is looking nice. Right, can you see? Let's take this off. Take out your chicken. Take out your skewers, if you used skewers. Oh, please work. Please be nice. Come on. You don't want to leave these in, because, oh, imagine that if you bit into that on the roof of your mouth. Oh, painful. Right, skewers out. Let me just wipe my fingers. Okie dokie. Pig in a pokey. Let's get this done. Oh, God, I've dropped you again. Sorry. Oh no, you're upside down. I dropped you the other day. Just at the crucial minute. Hang on. There. Right. So, get your piece of chicken. Gently cut your chicken. I would say like 1/2 inch. That's just going to be a big bit. Oops. What's this bit of bacon? It's cooked all the way through nicely. So it's sort of boiled it, hasn't it, in the sauce. I'll show you it in a minute. God. Right. It's a bit mucky. So, where are we with all this? There's the chicken, all cut up. Some of the stuff's come out. You can see where I've got a little hole in there and those bits. I don't know what you can do about that. I suppose it comes out in the sauce, doesn't it? So, let me dish up. I'll do a plate for Jace. Try and make it look a bit presentable for him. Halfway decent that he wants to eat it. There we go. Then we'll put some sauce. Over the top of that. See, that's a lot of blooming sauce, isn't it? I don't want it swimming in sauce. Solara sauce. Right, got some potatoes. Cool, if you haven't had these tinned potatoes done like this, and bacon, if you put bacon in there as well, oh, so nice. So nice. So nice. Right. That's that. And then I'm going to put a little bit of oh, of course, you're sat on the couscous. Excuse me, I shall have to move you again. There you go. Right. God. Bit of couscous. There we have it. So, Thursday night tea, chicken roulade with a sauce, some potatoes, mushrooms and a couscous. There we go. Can you see all that? Yeah. You know, give it a go, see what you think. I will try it for you, so you can try. I can let you know what I think. I will just put a little bit of the sauce on a piece of chicken. I won't do it on this one because this one's for Jason, so he can have the posh one. It's funny that, do you find that when you do cooking, if there's like 2 bits of chicken, I always give the best one to the person I'm cooking for and I'll have the rough bit. Does anyone else do that? Yeah, and Jason does the same for me. If he's cooking, he'll always give me the best bit. Yeah. Does everybody do that? Is that because we love each other? I don't know. Anyway. Right, so let's try this darn chicken. It's nice and tender. By God, it's tender. Oh my God. That is lovely. I'm going to do 3. With that sauce. Open up. God, that's so good. Oh, you've got to try this. You've got to try this. So, so good. Another hit. Happy with that. Definitely. Lovely. Give that a go. So, I'm going to hurry up and eat that before blooming Tesco's come. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Tell your friends. Press the little bell. And, yeah. I'm going to be doing a Tesco shopping haul along with my menu for the rest of the week and for next week. So if you want to tune into that, feel free. And I'll speak to you soon. Catch you later. Bye.